Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use GoDaddy domain and Hostinger. In your GoDaddy account, just go to My Account, then hit on Domains, and you should be able to see your own domain right here. Now, if you've found your working domain, just go ahead over to hostinger.com and make sure that you're logged in. Once logged in, just go ahead over to the left pane and click on Domains. Right here, just go ahead over to Transfer. Alright, click on Transfer and wait for this page to load. Now once it loads, just go ahead and click on the bar right here, which you can enter your GoDaddy domain. For example, thelazydaddy.com. I'm just going to hit on transfer and wait for it to process. And as you can see here, it says the requirement has not been met because my domain right here is still young. It was made not over 60 days ago. Alright, it was just made like January 29th or 30th. Alright, and it's still March 11 right here. Here's what you're going to want to make sure: the domain is unlocked, domain meets transfer requirements, and you have an authorization code. And if you're wondering what authorization code and where should I get it, well, you can obtain it from the current registrar, which is GoDaddy. Alright, now again, just enter the domain name right here and hit on transfer, and that will be just a simple prompts that you can follow. And once that's done, you have just transferred your GoDaddy domain and Hostinger. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.